Baby Nitro! Nitro! What's she doing, huh? Daddy bought something for us. Nitro, tingnan mo. Oh, do you keep talking to mommy? Oh, ooh. Nitro, look! Look at this! Oh, what's that? Buksan natin, Nitro, ha? Buksan natin to, baby, ha? It's okay. Nitro, look! Look! Nitro! Nitro, look! Ready? 1, 2...
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Wow! Oh my gosh! You're so big.
Whoa! It's so big, isn't it? It's a green screen. Yes, it's a green screen.
He wants he always wants the packaging.
Come here, mommy.
Wow, so big.
Nitro, look at mommy.
Look at mommy.
Look at mommy. Look. Oh, don't lick it.
Nitro.
Look at mommy.
Oh, it has water on it na. Saliva.
Because he licked it. Binilaan niya. Baby, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Ready? Look at mommy.
Oh, I can do my. Hi, welcome to my channel.
The beach. Oh, Nitro's at the beach. Yay! Yay! You want to go play in the water? Oh, now Nitro is in. Wow, a castle. Oh, a big castle, baby. Oh, it's a big castle, isn't it? Yeah. Now Nitro is in the forest. Ooh, scary forest. Oh, yes. Very scary, isn't it? Yes. Yes, what the family have a green screen. Kasi gusto pa namin i-level up na yung mga video namin. We also have a blue screen sa likod niya. Galing. So, we're gonna use this green screen to make some, skits, videos, and, mga funny videos, and
pwede
mag-series na yung mga videos namin.
Dwaine, pwede ko nang palitan yung outro ko kasi outdated na yun.
Yes, diba? We need to replace Shanti's outro, don't we? Okay. Baby.
He wants the remote.
Yun lang naman, Santa!
It's not Shanta, it's mommy.
Did you get that as well?
Yeah.
Santa!
Not Shanta, mommy. Nitro, it's mommy.
Hey. It's a blue screen now. It's a blue screen. Hey! Research muna ako, guys, para level up na yung mga vlog natin. O, diba? Yeah! Oh, Nitro, we made your trampoline into a tent. Tolda! May tolda na ang baby. Nitro! Hey! Hello, Nitro! Hey, baby! Oh! Hey, baby! Hey, baby! Hello, baby Nitro! Auntie Hallie's here. Hello, Auntie Hallie. Jumping from the green screen, Hallie. Let's see. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Paris.
You're in Paris now.
Am I?
Yeah, you're in Paris now.
Is
Very
the
good.
Tower behind me.
Yes, it is. Alright,
Now
now
I want to go to a dance party.
yeah, dance party! Come forward a bit, Hallie.
I want to go to Ariana Grande.
You've met Ariana Grande?
I went to her concert in
Oh, did you?
2017.
Really?
Yeah.
And you met her?
And she blew a kiss to me. Now I want to go to the Dwaine hotel.
Hold on. Yeah, that's it. Nitro! Oh, where are you? Where are you, Nitro? Huh? Where did you go?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, thank you for calling Shantanatics. Oh, we're really sorry to hear that, ma'am. But can I get your details? Yes. Okay. What's your name? Liza.
Sobrano.
Ma'am Liza Soberano. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Bigyan po namin kayo ng 1,000 Mbps. Yes. Yes. Hindi sila kumara.
Nahanap ko to sa Facebook Marketplace, itong green screen na to. So we're gonna use that for our videos to shoot some skits. What's that, Hallie?
What?
We're gonna shoot some short films, ganahan, with this green screen that we have. Diba? Yeah, so exciting talaga. Nitro Fam ang upcoming mga project natin. Tsaka meron po kaming upcoming giveaway. Abangan niyo po yung giveaway namin para sa inyong lahat. Yes, it is our biggest giveaway ever, as in so laki ng premyo. You okay, baby? You okay? You okay, baby boy? You fell over?
Yes. Lucky it was on that.
Ayan guys, just a quick vlog today to show you na meron na tayong green screen, ayun no, so we can do some skits na and kakaibang vlogs na. Yes, so we're going to use our creativity na yun, para gagawa kami ng mga malupit na vlog. So guys, maraming salamat sa panonood ngayong araw. Nitro is underneath the green screen kasi may bubong na yung jumping castle niya. Nitro! Nitro! Hey buddy! Woohoo! You having fun? Woohoo! Kita-kita sa sunod video natin, Nitro Fam. Bye for now.